Very good morning, class 4. Yes. How are you, students? All good? Fine. So, tomorrow we have already done question number 1, 2 of exercise 18. Right? So, what we'll do next? Yes. Question number 3, 4 of exercise 18. Right? Yes. So, now check out your maths book and maths copy and do this work in your fair copy. Okay? Yes. So, now see the question number third of exercise 18. This is page number 82. So question 3 is 11760 11,760 tins of fruit juice are to be packed in cartons of 48 tins each. Right? Yes. फ्रूट जूस के जो 11760 टिन्स हैं वो पैक्ड हैं कितने 48 टिन्स के कार्टन में ईच. ओके. एंड हाउ मेनी कार्टन्स आर नीडेड. सो वन पैक में 48 टिन्स हैं तो वो पूछ रहा है कि कितने कार्टन्स की नीड है हमको. सो सोल्यूशन इज सिंस 48 टिन कंसिस्ट ऑफ वन कार्टन. वन कार्टन में आपके 48 टिन कंसिस्ट हो रहे हैं. वन कार्टन में 48 टिन कंसिस्ट हैं तो 11760 में कितने कार्टन की ज़रूरत होगी. राइट. वन कार्टन में 48 टिन्स ईच मीन सिंगल वन. सो 48 टिन कंसिस्ट ऑफ वन कार्टन एंड 1160 टिन्स ऑफ हाउ मैनी कार्टन्स. सो डिवाइड करेंगे. So now since 48 tin consists of equals to 1 carton and number of cartons carrying 11760 will be 11760 divided by 48. So now let's divide 11760. So divisor is 2-digit number. So now take 2-digit number from the left hand side 11. So 11 is less than 48. Now taking 3-digit of the from the left hand side 117. So now we divide 48 3s are, so we check 3 8s are 24 and 4 3s are 12 13 14. आपका ये 144 is greater than 117, so 48 2s are 8 2s are 16 and 2 4s are 8 plus 1 is 9 96. So 117 goes to 48 in 2 times. So write 2 in the quotient and 48 2s are 96. Now we subtract 96 from 117. So subtracting 1, 7 minus 6 is 1, 11 minus 9 is 2. Bring down 6 to make 216. So 48 3s are this and 48 5s are, now we check 8 5s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 24 ज़्यादा हो जाएगा and 48 into 4. 8 4s are 32, 4 4s are 16, 17 18 19. Okay. So 48 216 goes to 48 in how many times? 4 times. So now write 4 after 2 in the question. So 48 4s are 192. Now we subtract 192 from 216. So 6 minus 2 is 4. And we want to subtract 9 from 1. Is it possible? No. So from the 100 we borrow 110 and leaving behind 1. And 110, 100 plus 110 becomes 11. So 11 minus 9 is 2. Bring down 0 to make 240. So now we check 48 into 5. 5 8s are 40, 5 4s are 20, 24. So 48 5s are 248. So write 5 after 4 in the quotient and 240. Now we subtract 240 from 240 is 0. So answer will become 245 cartons are needed. Next, 98 bags of wheat can be loaded in a tampu. So number of bags loaded in tampu, how many bags? 98 bags. And how many tampus will be needed to load 3038 such bags? So now we find how many tampus will be needed to load 3038 such bags, right? Yes. So 98 bags loaded in tampu. Number of bags loaded in tampu equals to कितना है? 98. So now we have to find number of bags needed to load 3038 bags. Now we divide 3038 divided by 98. Now we divide 3038 98. So divide 2-digit number. So taking 2-digit of the from the left hand side, so 30 is less than 98. So taking 3-digit off from the left hand side, right? 303. So now we check 98. Now we check 98 into 3 is 3 8s are 24 and 9 3s are 27, 28, 29. 294 is near about 303. So 98 3s are 294, right? Yes. 98 3s are yes. So 98 goes into 303 is 3 times. So write 3 in the quotient and 294. Now we subtract 294 from 303. So now subtracting once, we want to subtract 4 from 3. Is it possible? No, because 3 is less than 4. So from the tens we borrowing 110, but in tens position 0 is here. So from the 100 we borrow 100, leaving behind 2, and in tens 100 plus 0 ones become 10, and now we borrowing from tens. So 9 tens are left, 9 tens, and 1 tens plus 3 ones becomes 13. So 13 minus 4 is 9, and 9 minus 9 is 0, and 2 minus 2 is 0. Now bring down 8 to make 98, and 98 goes into 98 is 1 times. So write 1 after 3 in the quotient and 98. So 98 minus 98 is 0. So is 98 tampons will be needed to load 3038 such boxes. Okay, so thank you so much class and have a nice day.